how beautiful.
Okay guys, so these are my ingredients, super easy and simple. You can use whatever bacon you prefer, but this is the one I'm using today. You're also gonna need some brown sugar right there, and I'm also gonna be using my Spicy Girl. I feel like it has the perfect amount of heat as well as, you know, savory to take this bacon over the edge. So, but of course, if you don't have my spice, which is unfortunate, you can use what you have on hand, maybe some pepper or, you know, some coarse garlic. So you're gonna add, I'm basically doing 2 to 1. So I'm doing 2/3 cups of brown sugar to about a tablespoon or 2 of Spicy Girl. So 2 and 2. And you wanna mix this up really, really well. Make sure it's thoroughly combined, and then we're gonna coat the bacon. Usually I edit out my mistakes, but I wanted to show this one today. I was so silly thinking I was going to be able to do this on a plate and then transfer it to my pan. And it didn't work out that way. It was just too messy and too much work. So I'm about to show y'all in just a second. There you go. Let's go editing. Let's go. But anyway, I ended up putting them all onto my rack lengthwise. And then I added the brown sugar Spicy Girl mix on top, and it was way easier. The excess will fall to the bottom, you know, if you have the exact pan I'm using, so you don't have to worry about anything. And it definitely did not burn. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we're gonna pop them in the oven, and that's it. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 11 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it and do it another 11 minutes. Ooh, y'all, look how beautiful. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna move on to my next video, which will be part 3. I'll be making some candied bacon grilled cheese. I wanted to make this video separate because I don't have this video at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. They look amazing. Yes.